Hello students, welcome to English grammar lesson. Today's topic is the past perfect tense and the past perfect continuous tense. Let's begin with it. First I will discuss about the past perfect tense. Now what are the uses where we use past perfect tense in English grammar? So first use of the past perfect tense in English grammar is to express an action completed before another action took place. Again I am repeating, the past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before another action took place. Means we use past perfect tense there where the action has been completed but before another action took place. For example, when he came to me, I had posted the letter. Second, it is also used to express an unfulfilled action in the past. For example, if she had worked hard, she would have passed. This is unfulfilled action which happened in the past. Next is, it is also used to express an unfulfilled wish in the past. For example, I wish I had won the election. This is the unfulfilled wish of the person which happened in the past. Number third, we use past perfect tense to denote the action or event which has been completed before some point of time. For example, by afternoon he had completed much work. In this sentence we can see that this event or action has been completed before some point of time, like before afternoon this work has been completed. So in time clauses also we use this past perfect tense to express time by using time denoting adverbs or adverbial clause of time, like I had waited for my friend until he arrived. After he had sailed many days, the mariner reached the coast. These are the few uses of the past perfect tense in English grammar. Now let's proceed toward the patterns for making positive, negative and interrogative sentences in the past perfect tense. First, how to make positive sentence. For making positive sentence, the pattern is subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. This is the pattern for making positive sentence. For example, I had seen you before. He had left when you came. These are the example of positive sentence. Now, for making negative sentence, we simply follow this pattern. Subject plus had not plus third form of the verb plus object. For example, I had not seen you before. He had not left when you came. So, this shows the negative form of the sentence. Now for making question or interrogative sentence, we simply follow this pattern. Had plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object and question mark in the end. For example, had I seen you before? Question mark. Had he left when you came? Question mark. So these are the patterns for making positive, negative and interrogative sentences. So we mostly use in past perfect tense had, then third form of the verb in the sentences. Now after completing the past perfect tense, let's move further towards the past perfect continuous tense. First we will discuss about the uses of the past perfect continuous tense. So the uses are: the past perfect continuous tense expresses an action that had been going on for some time in the past. For example, children had been playing since morning. This action had been going on for some time in the past. Second use is, the past perfect continuous tense is also used to express an action that had been going on for some time before another action took place in the past. For example, they had been playing chess for 2 hours when I joined them. This example shows that this action had been going on for some time, but before the another action took place in the past. So these are the uses of the past perfect continuous tense in English grammar. Now here are the patterns of making sentences in past perfect continuous tense. Here we will discuss about the positive, negative and interrogative sentence patterns. So as you all are very much aware about that, in continuous tense we always use verb with ing. Here also we will follow the same, but the exact pattern for making positive sentences: subject plus had plus been plus first form of the verb with ing plus object. This is the pattern for making positive sentence in past perfect continuous tense. For example, he had been quarreling with you for some time. This is the positive sentence. They had been working on this project for many years. So these are the examples of positive sentence. Now in negative sentence, we simply follow this pattern: subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb with ing plus object. So this is the pattern for making negative sentence. For example, he had not been quarreling with you for some time. Second example is, they had not been working on this project for many years. So these are the sentences of negative sentence. Now next one is how to make interrogative sentence or the question sentence in past perfect continuous tense. So for interrogative sentences, we simply follow this pattern, that is had plus subject plus been plus verb with ing form plus object and question mark in the end. Examples are: had he been quarreling with you for some time? Question mark. Second example is: had they been working on this project for many years? So these are the patterns for making different types of sentences. Today we have discussed two topics in English grammar. One is the past perfect tense and the past perfect continuous tense. That's all for today. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.